Today, we will revisit mindful bodies. Mindful bodies had two components, focusing on our bodies and focusing on movement. Today, we will add one more experience, and that is focusing on sound. We again will imagine our focus as an explorer, traveling around our body, feeling the experience of what it's like to be a body. Then we bring our attention to movement, focusing on one hand and slowly moving it, trying to deeply feel the experience from the inside out. Then with that same focus and attention, we will shift to the experience of sound. Let's begin. With mindful bodies, eyes closed or with a soft gaze, find your breath anchor, that place where you feel your breath the strongest. Be present in your body. Now direct your focus to the top of your head, the very top, where your hair and your scalp meet. Feel your presence in the top of your head. Now we'll move our focus to the forehead, down the face and ears, letting our whole face relax, softening the muscles, letting go of any tension, and just be with the experience of mindfully inhabiting your whole head. Now let's expand our focus to our neck and shoulders, relaxing and softening the muscles, letting go of the tension. And as we let go of the tension in our body, so are we letting go of the tension in our minds. And again, just sit for a moment and feel what it's like to be a neck and what it's like to be shoulders. Now we will once again shift our focus to our arms, our biceps, our triceps, our forearms, down the hands and all the way into the fingers and the fingernails. Letting go of the tension in our arms, relaxing, feeling our arms from the inside out. Now we can shift our focus to our chest and our stomach, focusing our mind on our upper body, feeling our bodies moving rhythmically with the breath as we breathe in and we breathe out, letting the heart slow down and relax. Now shifting our focus to our legs, feeling ourselves seated in our chair. Down the legs into your calves and feet, all the way down to your toes and your toenails. Finally, bring your entire body into focus, from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, all at once. Be present with your whole body right here and right now. Relaxing the muscles, letting go of the tension in our bodies and the tension in our minds. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the oxygen go into your body and going to every cell, breaking apart the food molecules that release your life energy. Now, without moving, mindfully select one of your hands. Just sit with the awareness that you've chosen one of your hands. And now turn your hand around so the palm is facing up. Bring your hand into focus. Let your mind, your consciousness, fully embody your hand, feeling your hand from the inside out. Now paying close attention, open and close your hand. While you are opening and closing your hand, ask yourself, how are you doing this? What are you doing to actually move your hand? It's not the words we say in our mind. It's not the intention. We just do it. Try again. Move your hand, opening and closing, and really pay attention to what it's like to move your hand. Take a few moments and play with that experience. Continue to open and close your hand, and continue to honestly explore how you are doing it. Today we will continue our mindful body practice by adding mindful listening. Sound waves are made up of vibrations in the air. Those vibrations enter your ear and vibrate tiny cells. Those cells then send electrical signals to the brain that processes the waves into an experience that we call sound. As you hear these sounds, try to hear every part of the sound. Fully listen with all of your focus. As you deeply listen to this sound, think to yourself, where am I hearing this? How am I hearing this? We know that the ears pick up the sound, and we know that the brain processes the information. But where is the actual experience happening? Focusing on the body is a very helpful practice because the body is always present. It is always now. The body doesn't think about the future or think about the past. Our minds can think about the future and affect our bodies. When the mind begins to worry about something and stress, the body starts to stress as well. But the flow goes both ways. And if we mindfully focus our bodies, embodying it in the moment, the body can calm the mind down. When we focus our minds on our experience, we begin to see the experience in a new way. We have spent our whole lives in our bodies, moving and listening. But intentionally exploring changes our experience. Moreover, when we experience them with the full capacity of our minds and our attention, we experience a more full, rich life that is fully lived. Over the next few days, take a few moments and really pay attention to the sounds that you're hearing. Explore and see what the experience of hearing is like from the inside out.